I've got a Vauxhall Corsa. Brake lights work on the rear lights, but not on the high level light. Customer's already had a check and he says it's got no feed. We'll see what the crack is. So the light's removed. I've unplugged it. I've got a bar on the brake pedal so the brake lights are on, the ignition's on. Get my multimeter. I've got my probes in. We're on 60 volt range, DC current, and we've got nothing. I pulled the boot out to have a look. I've pulled on the wire, and there's the problem. There's a good few broke here, so I'll just repair them all. Before I shrink them down, we'll retest it. Probes back in, and there's my voltage. And that's the fix. With them wires broken, I doubt the back wiper worked either. Does now. That's it fixed. Factory finish. And we're done. Just look at that, man. The lad whose car that was, he was telling us there that he got me number by the AA, so the AA come and had a look at it and then give me number. And I've sorted it, so happy days. Thanks for the AA for that.